Hello, this is Lakshmikant Tiwari. In today's lesson, I am going to show you how you can use analogWrite into Arduino. We will be using analogWrite to dim the LED. Okay. So we will be using this for LED dimming. We will be connecting our LED at pin number 9 with resistor, let's say R. And then we will be connecting our LED at this resistor, and then it will be the ground there. Okay, as well as we will be also connecting a capacitor here, plus and minus. So once we generate a pulse width modulated wave like this, if we apply a capacitor, then with the capacitor we can get a wave like this. Okay, if it is 0, then with the capacitor it doesn't come to 0 directly, but the capacitor starts getting the discharge, and then once it goes to the 1, then capacitor again goes to charge, and then discharge, charge and discharge. So ultimately, if we add here a capacitor, with the capacitor LED doesn't go off when actually your voltage is off at the pin number 9. So the moreover, with the capacitor we can regulate DC voltage. Okay, and with some duty cycle. So what is the duty cycle? Let's say this is on time and this is off time. So the duty cycle, the D, is the total on time plus on time and off time. This is the duty cycle. So higher the duty cycle, higher the voltage. So let's say this is if V, higher the voltage if duty cycle is high. Okay, so let's understand this with the code. Before that, I can show you here. It is connected here into Arduino. There you see I have connected LED with the pin number 9. There is a green LED, and I have connected here the two resistance 1 kilo ohm each. So effective the resistance is just 500 ohm, and there is a capacitor, and this is 100 microfarad capacitor. You can use 147 or 200 microfarad is well enough. And now let's understand the code. Here we have a code. LED number 9. We are setting here brightness 0 and the fade amount is 5. In the setup, I am assigning pin number 9 as output, since it will be generating the pulse width modulated wave. And then inside the loop, I am writing here the analogWrite, the pin number 9 with the brightness value, where the initial brightness is the 0, and every time brightness is increasing with the fade amount. Here fade amount is plus 5. So once brightness reaches to 255, then fade amount becomes negative. Okay. So then fade amount becomes negative. That means what happened? Let's say fade amount become 255. Then fade amount become negative. Then total brightness will start decreasing. Okay. And once it comes to, let's say, around the 0, then again fade amount becomes here the positive. Then brightness starts increasing, and similarly we will be seeing our LED on and off dimming every time. And there is a 300 millisecond of the delay. Okay, so this is kind of the 300 millisecond delay. Now let's write this code into our Arduino sketch. Let me write this code very quickly for you. So int LED is equal to 9, and then we have int brightness is equal to, let's say, 5. Either we can say it 0, and fade is equal to 5. Now in the setup we need pin mode. So inside the pin mode we need LED, that is pin number 9 as an output, and now come to a loop. Inside the loop you can press Ctrl and T. If you press Ctrl and the T, it will automatically realign every the line of the code. And then we are going to write here analogWrite. So in analogWrite, the first one is LED, that's mean the pin on which we are going to write, and here the brightness represents the duty. Okay, so you see here the brightness represents the duty cycle. Okay, if brightness is the 255, that's mean the duty cycle will be 1, and in that case it will be giving 5 volt continuous. And after that I am going to add brightness with fade amount. Okay, and I'm going to reverse this brightness. If this fade amount, I'm going to reverse this brightness. If the fade amount, brightness becomes either 0 or if it becomes 255. Okay, brightness 0 and the brightness 255, then I am going to convert this fade is equal to minus fade. And then I'm going to put here some delay, let's say 30 millisecond, the delay of the 30 millisecond. So let's upload this code. Once it is uploaded, you will see here this LED will start. Sorry, I think something wrong has happened here. I think that should be double equal. Once it is uploaded, you will see this green LED will start. Yeah, see here, so it is dimming and then again it is going down. Okay, so the brightness here is increasing and the decreasing. So you can see here how we have generated with the digital value an analog voltage across the LED terminal. That's when there is a varying voltage is being applied to this LED terminal. That's why this brightness is fading continuously, not abruptly like in a digital system happens. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel so that you can get updates directly into your inbox. Bye bye, have a nice day.